Michelle again from The Singing Baker, and I've got another fun cocktail for you today. This cocktail is called Pineapple Express, and it's great for the summertime as well as it goes well with Indian cuisine and some spicy dishes. So we're going to go ahead and put a cup of pineapple juice in a shaker, and the shaker's already been filled with some ice. And then we have 2 ounces of lime juice. And then we're going to have 2 ounces of vodka. And last but not least, 2 ounces of coconut rum. So this is a very refreshing drink that you can have with your meal. So after we get all of this in here, you're just going to cover your shaker and you're going to shake it until it cools all up. So we're just going to fill these up. Okay. And the ideal garnish, if you can find it at the store, would be fresh pineapple that you cut into slices. If you can't find that, a nice little orange slice is nice as well. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and you can see more tutorials online. See you next time.